Good day coders, welcome back to another video of Let's Build Thumbtalk. In this video, we'll be covering how to create a refresh token. But the prerequisite of this video is that you watch the prior video where we generate our access token so that this video doesn't strike any confusion. So, okay, the first thing that we'll need over here is in our .env, we'll need this refresh secret key. This could just be basically your refresh token secret, which is anything, right? And then now moving along into our actual auth service, right? So what we'll need in our actual auth service is we'll just copy this, right? And then I know this method is just kind of redundant, but we just need it so that like our actual methods are descriptive, right? So we'll generate our refresh token, right? Which just takes in everything like our actual access token does take, right? So then over here, we'll just have like a custom refresh, right? Which is then gonna equal to our actual custom token. Alrighty. So that's just basically that. And then we're just gonna change over here our actual secret, right? So our actual secret is coming from process.env. And then if we come here in our .env, we'll just copy that over there, right? And then we'll also change our actual expiry, right? So our expiry should be like our expiry for our refresh token should take longer than our actual access tokens expiry, right? So this will be set to 1 day, right? Alrighty, so then the next thing that we will then want to do over here in our actual auth response, we'll just want to also pass in like our refresh token, and this is gonna await from this dot generate refresh token, and this will take in our custom refresh, right? But what we're seeing over here is that we're getting an error, and this is causing our actual auth response. We need to add in our refresh token, right? So we'll just add in refresh token, which just takes in a string. So basically this is all we need, right? So now we can just go ahead in our actual Postman and test this out, right? So if we go to our login and actually send in like our actual login request, right? So let's see what we actually facing over here. And this is saying this is crashing, but now let's just try to run this again and actually see what's actually happening. Alrighty, so the reason why it's crashing is because we have like an error over here. So if we save this now and actually go ahead and test this out, right? So if we send this request, now we see that we have both our actual access token and our refresh token. So that's all we need for this video. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, peace.